Alright, let's get started. I'm going to create a brand new MVC website. This website is just going to be used to call an API controller and get some data back. I like to put all my API controllers in a separate folder named API. I'll create my controller with an API controller suffix, and inside this controller we'll just step out something simple. Derived from API controller, have a get, and return an anonymous type. Basically, what I'm most interested in is this name and address property. How is this going to translate into the browser by default? Now that our controller is complete, let's go ahead and run it. We're going to get into the browser. We'll redirect to my API and take a look. Name and address are capitalized. We want those to be lowercase, JSON standard. Over on GitHub, I've got an ASP.NET boilerplate project, and in here, there's a camel case controller config attribute class. Let's grab that. We'll bring that in, we'll copy it into our models folder, and we'll have that ready to go. Once that's there, and we'll go ahead and we'll take care of these errors just by adding some usings. We'll jump back into our controller. We'll add a using for our models namespace, and then we'll decorate the class with our new attribute. This is going to force JSON to be the primary formatter for API calls. We'll bump out into the browser and take a look. Name and address are now lowercase, just the way we wanted them.